Here's how I created this very simple, easy to do a red lip moment. I'm using La Mer sunscreen. I like to spread the sunscreen all over my face that is exposed. Now that I have a sweater and a shirt on, I don't really need to spread it everywhere else. And plus the sunscreen is pretty expensive, so I am certainly not looking to waste it. I like using the Charlotte Tilbury brow gel because even though my eyebrows may seem like overly dark, I think that my face carries it off because it's a brown color. It doesn't look too harsh on my face. At least I don't think so. Applying the Chanel's Le Lift Cream Hue Moisturizing Primer. I like this because it basically glows, hydrates my skin, and actually minimizes my pores. So I put this on before any concealer or foundation. I'm going into Conceal and Correct with Chanel Sublimage Le Corrector. I've been enjoying using this product. One of my better investments. For quick days rushing out the door, this is really easy to apply. Lately, I've been applying this concealer as if it's a foundation. I don't need a lot, just one dot, and I cover all the discoloration on my eyes, around here by my nostrils, under my chin, upper lip, although I think I need to shave my peach fuzz. It covers everything, including the burn marks on my chin. I'm not going to bring it up into my hairline because I have Batana oil on my hairline and I don't want to mix that and the makeup. Plus I'm wearing a Kangol hat, so I don't really want the makeup to get on the hat. Haven't used this in a while. This is the Rare Beauty blush. This is a pretty berry color. Normally what I just do is put the brush inside of it, tap it, and tap it on my face. And I put the blush high points under the eye and around the high points of my cheekbone. This is the quickest way that I found that I can do my makeup lately. Sometimes it looks like I put too much on. And when that happens, I just take my foundation concealer brush and just go on top of it a little bit. So kind of a layering effect, and then I'll go back in with that blush, just right on top again. And that's that. I have been really into colorful eyeliners. I'm just going to use the darker side of the Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner. It's a dual eyeliner, and smudge. Literally, I can't even see because I don't wear my glasses and I'm not using my magnifying glass, and I'll just smudge that below. And once I'm done smudging it below, like applying it, I'll just take any brush that has like a soft tip and just smudge it around the bottom. See? You can then take a little bit, same brush, no additional product, and just flick the corners of your eyes, and that's it. I'm gonna apply my Chanel powder over this. This is very fine, so it will get everywhere. So what I do is I have a little bit in the cover. I'll just press the brush in there, dust off in the sink, and press it onto my face as opposed to swirling everywhere and getting it, because I don't want makeup on my clothing. Just press the brush. So when I press the powder in, it's taking away some of the shine and some of the glow, but it's still peeking through a little bit. Definitely gonna put some on my eyelids. I have oily eyelids. I haven't worn red lips in a while, and this is by Dolce & Gabbana. The Everkiss Liquid Lipstick is a velvety matte texture. I have it in the color 405, and I thought it was really easy to apply. Let's do a quick check to make sure there is nothing on my teeth, because nothing's worse than talking with lipstick on your teeth. Here is the finished look. I thought it came out really well, especially if you only have like 5 to 10 minutes to rush out the door. I thought this was a really well put together look, and it also looks good outside as well. Daylight did it well too. So if you found this video helpful, guys, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Until the next time, take care.